Hello everyone. I have a knife unboxing today of the Flick butterfly knife or balisong. You can purchase it at Blade Play for about $10. The knife I'm going to be using to do the unboxing is the Milano Italian Stiletto, also purchasable at Blade Play. So let's dig into this. Real nice cut there. See, there it is. There's our knife. It has folding knife. We already know it's a CCC, $10 balisong. It's not going to be the best. The Blade Play letter, it just tells you how to keep your knife in good condition. Kind of the receipt on the back also. But here is the box. And I can already see the tip of my balisong. There she is. I got her in gold. Oh, that's a horrible lock. Well, she's alright. She's real wobbly. The standard metal play. Pin construction. So, it doesn't have the torque screws, so you cannot adjust. It's not very sharp. You can adjust how tight or loose it is, but you never have to Loctite it or, tighten it or worry about handles falling off. Oh, it already has a great amount of play. Not too much this way, but a lot that way. Well, that's what you get from a $10 balisong. But there it is. Skeletalized handles for weight reduction. These are not sandwich construction. They're a one piece, solid. I got mine in gold. You can get it in black and whatever color you'd like. Really. Nice fit and finish though. The lock's real wobbly. I'm gonna have to put tape or I don't know, I have to get that good. Probably squeeze these together some more. It looks like they're mushroomed on both sides, so feels pretty smooth. Yeah, so there's the Flick. There's the unboxing and review, I would say. Thank you for viewing the video. Press that like button, guys. And I will see you on my next unboxing or review. So, peace out, guys. I hope you have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, whatever. Thank you. Have a good afternoon.